Alright, I've got kind of a goofy setup here. I've got my hydraulic press being used as a vise, just to hold my file. So yeah, it's here. Anyway, so let's grab the compression rings. Doesn't really matter which one's which because they're all getting the same cut. Let go. Okay. 7. And there's 8. Okay. There. Now I think I'd like to get one of those pistons back. Got one of the original pistons. I'm just going to take the top ring off because I want to keep it square. Keep the second ring in because that's going to stay in its seat but not push in unless it's compressed. So let's grab the ring, check it. Well, that went in way cockeyed. But it's square now. Okay. I think that was a top ring I put in. So that one should have been at 017 to begin with. Let's see what it's at. Right at 017. Okay. So we don't need to cut much. And I think on all of these, I don't know which side I was cutting on. I think I was cutting on the right face where it has the size marking. See how much we've got. That didn't go square. Okay. See how much that was. I gotta go ahead and order some more anyway. I forgot that I don't have any for the Sentra build. Well, it feels like we're still at 17. Nope, we're bigger. Okay. $18. Hopefully I didn't cut too much. Okay, I would say I'm at 19. Yeah, just check real quick, because if I don't need to cut anymore, I won't. I'm going to say that's 20. Oh, let me toss that so I don't mix it up. Alright. I'll say this one is done. Where am I going to put done ones? I'm going to put it on top of the vise. Don't let me forget. Alright, next. See if this is also a 17. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly at a 17. Okay. Okay. See what you got there. Did I? There's no way I overcut that. All right, well 20 goes in. Wow, yeah. I would say that's perfect, but I really got to be more careful here because that's cutting a lot faster than I thought. Okay, well this one is done. You can cut, you can't add. All right. I think I cut these to 17 and 19. That's the main thing. If I find one that's at a 19, I know, you know, just to breathe on it. So I think this is going to be a 19. Yeah, that's a 19. Let me just try it at 20 real quick. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to call that's a tight 20. I'm going to call that a 20 and not cut it. I think my second rings are all that size.